I will write one formula. So you have seen this. So you take the video also sometimes. It is a very important for you. Otherwise you cannot calculate. I rub that. A problem. You see. Calculate. Change gears to cut
It is the volume.
1.5 mm pitch, 1.5 mm pitch. So this is M10, 1.5 mm pitch on a lathe having lead screw of 6 mm. Lead screw of 6 mm. So this is the machine they gave, and we have to cut 1.5 mm pitch. Now what is given? Write immediately given data. What is given there? You have to write. Pitch of job. Pitch to be cut or pitch to cut 1.5 mm. Pitch of lead screw. Pitch of lead screw, that is 6 mm. So calculate change gears. Change gears. How much? So as per given data, driver by driven equals to pitch of job by pitch of lead screw. So what is given there? dr by dn equals to 1.5 by 6 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. Because we wanted to remove this decimal point. To remove the decimal point, I am multiplying by 10. That is 15 by 60. So, will the gear available 15? No. In that case, we will go to 30 into 2. 15 by 60 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 30 by 120. 30 gear available, 120 gear available. If the gear 120 is not available, we will go some other way. 1.5 gear is there now. 1.5 by 6 is here into 3 into 3. So into 2, sorry, 2, that become 3, 12 into 3 into 8, here into 8. Then 8 to the 16, 3 8 the 24, 6 to the 12, 12 8 the 96. 24 by 96 also we can. So the ratio will be same. 1.5 1 the 1.5 4 the 24 1 the 24 4 the wherever you go 30 1 the 30 4 the then 15 1 the 15 4 the ratio will be correct. That is called gear ratio. Change gears are gear ratio. This is the driver gear. This will be 24 or then 30 or 30. Then this is the idler gear, any number of teeth. Then this screw gear will be 96 or 120. So this is one set, this is one set. This is the way the connection will be given at the end of the bed gearing. Then only you will get the required pitch. Is it clear? So if it is not clear, you ask me once again after the class. You take this one screenshot if you want it. Then now I am going to another question. British system I am going. Metric is over. Pitch of jaw by pitch of lead screw. Same formula I will go. With the same formula I will go. So here lead screw I am going to small machine. This is a 16 TPI. 16 TPI. The lead screw is 16 TPI and lathe having lead screw of 4 TPI. So here TPI is given and here also TPI is given. Lathe lead screw. Calculate the change gears to cut 16 TPI on a lathe having lead screw of 4 TPI. Given data TPI to cut. TPI to cut. Otherwise, the formula is given pitch of jaw. Pitch of jaw equals to TPI is given 1 by 16 because the threads are like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 like this. These are the 16 threads, 1 inch long. 16 threads. So this is the distance is 1 by 16. The same way pitch of lead screw, that is 1 by 4. That is 1 by TPI equals to pitch. Here 1 by TPI equals to pitch. So if you know this one, easily we can calculate. The distance is given, pitch from one point to the thread to next corresponding point. TPI is given from here to here 1 inch long. From here to here 1 inch long, 16 threads. Now change gears calculation. Find change gears. Find change gears. So what gears we will get, we will find out. So dr by dn is equal to driver by driven equals to pitch of jaw 1 by 16 by 1 by 4. The fraction will be, the bottom of the fraction will be inverse to the top one, that is equal to 1 by 16 into 4 by 1, that is equal to 4 by 16. Then 4 by 16, the teeth are not available, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, 4 5 is 20 by 16 5 is 80. Otherwise, if it is not available, you take multiply by 10, 160 gear is not available. 20 is available, from 20 to 120 gear is available anywhere if you go. So these are the gears. In this case, the connection will be given like this. The driver gear is 20 and the driven gear is 80. This is idler gear, any number of teeth. So this is British to British. Sometimes metric to British will come. That is very important. The time. Sometimes metric to British. For example, metric to British I will write, listen carefully. So if you want, you take screenshot for this one. All the boys. I am to cut 3 mm pitch on a lathe having lead screw of 4 TPI. In this case, this is the British machine. We are going to cut metric threads. In this case, formula will be same for all. What is given there? Pitch of job. Pitch of job is equal to 3 mm. Pitch of lead screw. Pitch of lead screw equals to 1/4. That is equal to, pitch is equal to 3 mm. 1/4 is equal to 1/TPI. That already I explained. TPI threads per inch. 1 inch lo 4 threads unte okka thread distance 1/4. Now we are going to find out the change gears. Change gears. Find change gears. Change gears. In this case, as per given data, same as per given data, driver by driven equals to pitch of job by pitch of lead screw. Pitch of lead screw. You see here pitch of job dr by dn. Pitch of job how much? 3. Pitch of lead screw 1/4. So this is inches. To convert this one millimeters. Otherwise this millimeter converted to inches. ఒకటి బ్రిటిష్ లో ఒకటి మెట్రిక్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేసుకోవాలి? ఈ బ్రిటిష్ ని మెట్రిక్ లో మార్చుకోవాలి. మెట్రిక్ లో మార్చుకోవాలంటే into 25.4. Then this become metric. Then 3/4. So that become how much? 25.4/4. This 4 will go up. This 4 will go up. E 4 పైకి వస్తాయి. For example, 1/2/1/4. Otherwise, 1 mm you have, 3 mm you have, 3 mm you have there, 1/4. 3 mm లో ఎన్ని పావులాలు ఉన్నాయో ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది? ఇది 3 రూపీస్ ఉంది, ఇది పావులా ఉంది. ఈ పావులాలు ఎన్ని ఉంటాయంటే దిస్ గోస్ అప్ 3 into 4/1. 3 4 12. 12 పావులాలు ఉన్నాయి 3 లో. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 12 ఉన్నాయి. అందుకోసం ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఇన్వర్స్ అయిపోతారు. Then here 3/2 25.4 into 4. ఈ 4 పైకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు. dr by dn. Now this 25.4 is in fraction. To make it into round figure, we are multiplying with the 5 both numerator and denominator. That to become 5pn by 127. This 127 is the translating gear. This 127. So 5pn, 5 is conversion factor, p is pitch of job, n is TPI of lead screw. 5pn by 127. Then we can multiply it 3 into 4 into 5 by 127, that is equal to 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 by 127. Driver gear 60, driven gear 127. So number of T3N. So this is the gear calculation, dr by dn. If you want to take screenshot, you take, no problem. Then I will go into another formula. There is one more formula. If I explain that one, this chapter become closed. So instead of doing all these things, whenever you wanted to cut metric pitch on British lathe, 5 pn by 127 formula, you have to by heart it. Okay. Then the last formula I will explain. Then the last one, calculate the change gas to cut 12 kPa on a lathe having lead screw of 6 mm pitch. This is 12 dpi. We can write it as half inch BSW. Half inch BSW is 12 dpi. Right? అయిపోలే చెప్తాను టైం అయిపోయింది. అయిపోలేదా? నడుస్తుంది. నాదేంటి బంద్ అయిపోయింది.
9:41 అవుతుంది టైం.
నాది వస్తుందా? అది వస్తుందా బోర్డు? ఇంకోసారి బాగా